Hey guys, how does it look? So this I'm supposed to do I had to do a product catalog for some friend. So this is what I did and he was very happy. So hope this looks good. Okay, how I did it, let me show you. And this is what the image he gave me, and I turned this to within a matter of minutes, a couple of minutes, 2 minutes, right? So let me do this again and I'll show you how to do it. Okay, let me duplicate it. Okay, first step, you have to insert a rectangle and adjust to the shape of this screen. Go to insert shape and select rectangle. Remember, you have to select rectangle only. If you select a rounded rectangle, it's way difficult, because I'll tell you what is the reason. Okay, do this, draw this, and right click and say edit points. Now you can adjust the edges of the rectangle. You may have to do it multiple times to get the proper shape. Okay, this is my first attempt. Let's see how it looks. Okay, I think I need to reduce the base a little bit. Okay, make sure that it looks realistic. If you take it all the way to the edge, right, it may not look realistic. Okay, my magic mouse battery gone down. Okay, this looks good for me. Okay, this is step number one. Now see, step number two. I had this video. Let me take a screenshot of some portion. This is more than enough. Now paste it here. Okay, now the important thing is make sure that these two images overlap. Okay, and then put this guy backward, send it all the way back. This, send it little back, because it should stay in between the laptop and the blue rectangle, so that you will get this shape. Okay, right, this is send it all the way back. Yeah, this looks good. So this rectangle and this guy should overlap. Okay, this looks good. The laptop is all the way in the back side, and this is, then this comes and this comes later, right? So this is how it should look. Now select these two. Otherwise selection is difficult. I mean, if you can manage the selection, that's up to you. Select these two, go to shape format, and then intersect. Boom, this is what you get. And this may not look like exactly like this, because the content we've selected may be different. So for that, what we can do is undo this, select only one, select, okay, this looks much better than that. Yeah, thank you guys, that was a quick video on how to uh, create a product catalog with custom images. Thank you.